If you're in Australia.
Yeah, if you're in Australia. In America, it's still 2018, which is weird. With 2019, it's been 10 minutes that it's been 2019. Oh my god, it's 2019.
To celebrate, we are going to play
A Roblox 2019 game. But tomorrow, Roblox is going to be celebrating it. Today is just New Year's Eve for them.
Yeah. I don't know if I've told you in a different video, guys, but there's like this Roblox
Visor, yeah, you told me.
Yeah, there's a Roblox visor like of the years. So like if you join Roblox in 2000, you would get the Roblox visor that was free in the years. You can only get the 2017 visor for like tomorrow. You cannot get the 2017 visor. I've already got it. Wait, what are you doing?
Our website doesn't work.
Get the visors quick.
Yeah, guys, because they're valuable.
Wait, what? No.
You need to keep it straight.
Good. 8.0 seconds.
Guys,
Log in.
I can't believe you like my Roblox
Why is it making me do this verification? Oh, yeah.
Guys, I can't believe it.
We are going to celebrate by trying to find.
Actually, we probably won't, but because we're in Australia, and as I said, America has the 2019 tomorrow, so New Year's tomorrow. So there might not be much famous, but tomorrow there might be.
Yeah, I can't find any 2019.
Just put welcome.
Look what there is.
Just go to welcome 2019.
What? Where?
Up there.
Where?
Welcome. No, welcome.
It's got 100 likes.
Let's play it.
No, it's got 3 likes.
No, that's not.
It said 3%. Sorry.
Guys, we can't believe it.
I know.
We were popping crackers and he hurt his finger.
Yeah. It was like buzzing and then I cut my finger.
Because they're not really good ones. They weren't really good ones.
Like one was faulty and I pulled too hard, and then there was like a little piece that like had like a little scratch on it. Like one of the pieces was loose, and then it cut my finger. It was my pinky finger. Yeah.
I did a sprint.
Okay.
I did one, but I made my mum hold it because I didn't want to get hurt.
Sometimes she's scared of sparklers. My lips. I just smacked my lips by accident.
How did you smack them?
I don't know, but someone just joined me.
Then maybe like we should pass them and say it's 2019 here.
I am in.
Let's friend them.
Yeah, we're gonna friend this guy. Request sent.
And also, Zeki.
This was a fail. It's not even like a real game.
Who cares? Let's follow him too. Because then we can.
Okay, now can I?
Yeah, he friended us.
Yeah.
Let's go and
Now
test
it's
him.
no.
Yeah, we'll be like, is it 2019 for you?
Well, like that was weird. Because what if he's like a little kid?
No, it's not weird. It's only weird if he starts like stalking.
I know, because that's what Jaina did to me. Wait, not Jaina. Kashki.
Yeah, what do you remember?
She was being like Jaina from the ODR.
Oh yeah.
She kept on like screaming and everything. We're gonna play.
No, chat that guy.
No. We're gonna actually play something.
But we
Maybe it's
can't
'cause-
find anything close.
Wait, look at this. 2019
Countdown.
countdown.
It's already happened.
It's already happened.
It's been 15 minutes since it's 2019.
We should have done this when the rules dropped.
No, because we want to spend it out.
I don't care.
We have to spend.
So 2019 count. It should just be for like 2 seconds. Countdown. The countdown.
It's only 3 seconds though.
I guess.
So guys.
Oh.
Holy.
Whoa.
This,
Okay, so
This might be American difficulties. They're counting
there
down.
might be, yeah, like counting down. Oh, we can ice skate. That's really cool.
That
We can ice skate.
guys, this is the best thing. This has to be a good thing, guys.
I am so gonna get that visor tomorrow.
Same. Roblox better release it.
No, they are, because all the other ones are all the same now. You can't get the 2017.
Not now.
Well, like tomorrow you can't get it. Well, this was a nice game, except it's not the countdown anymore. Wait, does it? As soon as everyone like gets on the ice skate, like, will they act? Oh yeah, look. Look.
12 minutes.
Yes, you look. 12 minutes and 50 seconds. We've already done that, so this must be like an American game.
No, it might just be because there's thingy E. It's not like day for them. It's not the day for
Why
them.
did I just try and be like Minecraft and try to find it? See, in the skies is 2009.
It's not America because it's New Year's Eve for them. It's not like
Well, that was a cool game. Like you could just like hang out
everyone
and
was
skate.
there.
Not everyone. I wish my friends would. Oh, let's go to the Bloxies. I know that isn't really like, you know.
Look, I made
like,
you.
holiday. I'm not making.
Oh my god. We're making a Roblox character.
When I'm drawing our Roblox characters, I've already drawn mine. Sorry we can't show you, we're just really bad at cameras. Welcome to the 5th annual Blox
Yes?
Theater.
Huh? Oh, we're doing photos. We're doing photos.
Sorry guys, we gotta go. Okay, hey guys. We had to reset a video because we had to go for family photos.
Yes.
It's 2019. We're definitely gonna upload this video. We just like came into this game called
It's-
5th annual Bloxy Awards.
It's been 25 minutes since it's been made.
Since the ball dropped. Well, depending.
No, not since the ball dropped. Since the countdown.
Well, yeah, since the countdown. Depending which part of the
Country,
world you're in.
because we're in Australia and
So yeah, we just did the countdown.
the American, they're in 2018 still, which is weird. They're in a whole nother year.
Yeah.
So
Why
tomorrow,
does that weird?
yeah, I do.
Wait, what's the thing?
Yeah,
It's just
it's fine. Tomorrow, tomorrow is America's Day.
Tomorrow's America's Day was. Oh,
Um,
I want to get up there.
is their day for it's
And the person who gets the Bloxy Awards is Roblox Zeki1, aka me. Go home with your Bloxy Award and enjoy the $1 million we gave you.
tomorrow. America.
It's
Their
gonna
day.
be in 2019.
Yeah. So
You get back here, Molly Pop. Get back here.
we're so excited.
For what? It's not even our day.
No, we're so excited that it's 2000.
How do you buy these seats?
Do you want to go on the trampoline? Let's go on the trampoline.
But it's too dark. Look, outside. It's
one.
You said they're already balloon monster.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. I'll get back to GG Studio. Ah! I want to get up there and insult her.
It's 2019.
Wait, how do you actually buy these seats? I want to know. Is this like just a roleplay game, or is it actually?
Actually, they do it. They actually. But
Reserved for.
everyone sold out. They did it.
So.
They probably did it before Christmas.
How much Robux does it cost? That's my question. Sold.
You should look in the aisles to see.
I'm gonna commit suicide.
No.
Oh, I really want one of these seats. Wait. Why are they all sold? Or is this just a roleplay game? Is it?
It's not a role play game.
Well, then why is it even a game if it's not even like?
Because they did the Bloxy Awards after. I remember they did.
Wait, how do you buy the seat? Seriously?
Press it. Turn the
No, watch. I'm gonna go over to the site because it had like names. I can't click any of them. What?
Search up a YouTube video.
How about you guys tell us? How do you buy these seats in the Bloxy Awards?
And make it fast because we
need to
buy it before it gets sold.
Yeah.
So guys,
Hopefully it's under something of 400.
I don't think it will. I think it'll be about 1,000 just to get that.
Well then, what kind of people would pay seats just to see someone get a Bloxy? But seriously though, I want a Bloxy Award. Well, you have to be like a famous YouTuber to get one.
No, you don't. You have to be a person that makes a game that's famous, like
Or
Elwin.
DTDM.
And Big City.
Since when was Meep City a Bloxy Award?
They got one.
Sold. Sorry if the game's glitching a bit. Sold.
Guys, we're gonna go now because the video's about to end.
Yeah, 'cause
And-
we only have.
Yeah, we've said that a million times.
Yeah, because don't worry, we're gonna update this one because we've done like 5 videos and all of them went wrong.
No, one went
Because
wrong.
remember two, because remember we had to leave in the one that we did before this one.
Oh yeah.
Because we had to go take photos because it's actually 2019 right now for us. So we need to do like family photos and stuff. But we need to get these
I like
that
this
fit.
mini Roblox character.
So we're really sorry we can't show you. Maybe one day we'll figure out how to like comment down below how if you know how to get these seats.
And we would love to know.
Yeah, because we really need to see it.
So yeah guys, we'll see you in the next video, which is probably gonna be later in the year, but I will try and upload on my channel and he will try and upload on his channel.
Yeah, I'll try and upload on mine, but I'll probably like mostly upload when friends are over.
I'm gonna upload solo sometimes because I after school and yeah.
She's done an oof video.
But
That took her.
I got like how many? I got like 70 views on it.
I know. I want to do something like that, but I know it's gonna take like a full month.
Alright guys,
See ya. Bye.
2019.
Reese's Pieces.